Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I am opening the Uno Show Them No Mercy box. I have never done an unboxing of a Uno game because like by the time I get it, I get home, we open and we play. So we have all these amazing Uno Flip, Uno Mario, Uno Mini, Uno No Mercy, Uno All Wild, and Uno 99. But I actually had Uno No Mercy as well. A couple of months ago, I had uploaded the video, and somehow my cards, while I was traveling back home, I don't know what happened, but we lost the cards. Some of them got ripped. There was water. So I thought of picking up another set, and let's try and open them now. So you have a deck here. What's this? Okay, you have the instruction manuals, and you have two more decks. I think somebody also wrote in my previous video that my cards looked fake. I'm not sure about that because I ordered it from Lazada in Singapore here, and this one I picked up from Toys R Us in the mall. So I am not sure if they are fake or if they are like a counterfeit product. I'm not sure about that, but okay, let's just see. Let's open this. And yeah, the card looks very similar. This lining and the kind of packaging that was the previous one looks the same. However, I feel there is just one thing that I haven't seen before in my previous cards are these symbols. Guys, if your cards have the symbol, can someone write to me what they mean? Of course, I'll be going through the manual one more time because this is not something that I've seen before. Is it part of the game? Is it part of the setup? Or is it for the colorblind accessibility? I'm not sure of that, but looks like we have a lot of our power cards here. They're right here, and all the plus 10. So yeah, we have the three decks, and the box looks almost the same to me, but definitely just to make sure that my box and my game is real and not a counterfeit product, I made sure to pick it up by myself. It looks it just looks exactly the same to me what I had the earlier one. But yeah, so guys, if you have Uno No Mercy, tell me what's your favorite memory about playing it. You could check out a lot of our different gaming videos and our activity videos that we have shared a lot of games and reviews, and I think that would be great. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you like our videos, make sure you subscribe so that you're notified every time a new video is popped up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.